This stunning white building at Musick Point on the tip of the Waihāroa Peninsula is unfortunately closed to the public. But what goes on behind these walls, and why was it built here? The building is currently owned but not used by Spark. It houses the Musick Point Radio Group, a group of shortwave radio enthusiasts who, from here, communicate with like-minded people all over the world. They use technology that we now consider outdated, but will still be able to communicate if our modern internet-based networks fail. The building contains antique radio equipment, some of which the radio group keeps in working order. The radio group has an impressive website detailing their projects. The Musick Point radio station building was constructed in 1939 and named in honour of Captain Edwin Musick, the pilot of a flying boat that was lost over the Pacific Ocean near Pago Pago in 1938. In the years previously, Captain Musick had pioneered flights from the USA to Auckland. The radio station started its life during the Second World War as a centre for long-range radio communication for aviation and shipping. The site on the tip of the Waihāroa Peninsula was chosen for its clear reception. Auckland Radio moved here from its previous base at the Central City Post Office. The building was the home of Auckland Radio ZLF, aviation radio, until 1966, and Auckland Radio ZLD, marine radio, until 1993.